Skateboarding is essentially quite an aggressive thing. You can photograph it aggressively, but there's also a beauty to it, an art to it. You're going against gravity, you're falling far too far through the air, but sometimes all the elements come together like in a dream and things are just perfect. Those are the moments that I really love.
The Shot, in association with the Canon EOS 350D.